In this video, I will show you how to use AutoDS for Shopify. So I'll go over the entire step-by-step process from beginning to end. So from creating your AutoDS account and also how you will get an extended 30-day free trial instead of 14 days for $1. Then I'll show you how you can add it to your Shopify store, so how you can connect it to. Then I'll show you how you can search products on the AutoDS Marketplace or import products even in bulk from suppliers such as AliExpress and Amazon. And then I'll show you how you can import those products onto your Shopify store and how the order fulfillment works when using AutoDS, and I'll go over all of their other automation features in this video. So starting off with creating our AutoDS account. Now you will see here, usually you have a 14-day trial for $1, but if you click on the link down in the description, it will take you to this page, and I'll show you right now, if you use this link, you will get a 30-day extended completely free trial. So I'll just sign up with Google, but you can also enter these details right here. So after you fill in those details, here it will say, I want to sell on. Now from this list, just going to pick Shopify since we are going to be selling on Shopify. So then click continue. And now here they have a few different packages. Now you can either pay annually or monthly. I'll just set it to monthly. And then you can see they have import 200, starter 500, advanced 1K, and some more premium packages right here. And you will see you can get a 30-day free trial on any of these. Now this deal is exclusively if you sign up through my link down in the description. So to claim that, just click on that link. But I think the price and stock monitoring feature is really important. So therefore I will go with starter 500, but you can pick any package that you would like to use. You can see what exactly it's for. So this is the most basic automation features. This is a full-scale dropshipping automation solution, perfect for beginners creating a store, which is the one that I will pick. And this is for experienced dropshippers who need more products and faster support. So click 30-day free trial on any of them, and then here enter your payment details. And then after you enter your details, just click on continue. So after doing that, you will see this, so go and close this, and then you will see welcome to AutoDS, let's add your first store. So before doing this, make sure that you already have a Shopify store. If you don't have an account yet, it's really easy to create one. I'll leave a link down in the description, and through that link, you will get a 3-day free trial and your first month for only $1. So if you want to claim that offer, just click on the link down in the description and create your account. You don't even need to add any credit card details or anything like that. Signing up will only take 1 or 2 minutes. So after doing that, just go back to AutoDS and click on Add Store. Now here click I have a Shopify store connected to AutoDS, and then click Continue. So then if you already have a tab open where you are signed into your Shopify account, you will see install right here, but otherwise it will say sign in. So I'll just click on install and then confirm by clicking on install again. So now we have already connected our store. So then just go and close this, and now we can actually start using AutoDS and we can get into the fun stuff. So first here in the overview you have a marketplace, they have print on demand, you see your dashboard, which is basically your analytics, then they have your orders here, you can see the products, your drafts, and you can contact customer support. Now what I want to go into first is the marketplace, where they already have a bunch of products. So what I really like to do is to go to ships from right here and then just select the area that you would like to sell in. For example, if I select United States and I want to also sell in the United States, you can see this product here has a shipping time of 1 business day. This one has 2 business days, 2 business days. So this way you can find products that ship really fast. So then next I would filter by a category and to create your Shopify store within one category, because that way you have kind of a branded store. So for example, you could do a home improvement and tools, or outdoors, sports and fitness, pets, or any of these other ones. For this example, I will go with pets. Now you could even do one of these subcategories such as dogs, cats, fish, or any other category that it may show here. Now what I'm going to do is set it to best sellers right here. So you will see that this dog bed right here is a bestseller. So if we click on it, you will then see this product. So they have different colors of this product, and you can see these images look really good, and you can simply import this onto your store. Now first I'll show you how you can import a product from the AutoDS Marketplace, and then after that I'll show you how you can import AliExpress, Amazon, or many other suppliers' products onto your Shopify store, all within a few clicks. Now you'll see this specific product, shipping price to the United States, it's free, shipping and processing time is 7 business days, and it has 1613 reviews with 4.6 out of 5, which is really good. So all you need to do is click on import draft right here, And then what will happen is that it will show up here in your drafts. So click on drafts, and now here you will see the small dog bed, etc. Now what I recommend you to do is click on the drop down, and then here click on optimize title with AI. And then I would do title and description. For example, you could make it sound more professional, sellable, funny, or optimized for social networks. I will say sellable. And then for the description, I will also say sellable. Now here you can choose a temperature, balanced, more creative, or precise. I'll say balanced and click AI Write. Now when you create your account, you will get 30 free AI credits. So after it's done, just go and click on save. It may look a little bit weird right here, but once it's on your Shopify store, it will look good. So click save right there. And then what you can do is click on import, and now it is being imported onto your Shopify store. So I'll show you that on the store in a minute. First, what I want to do is click add products here, and then you can choose single products, so import one product to one store, multiple products or stores, import multiple products together. You can get the handpicked products or use the AutoDS Finder. But what I'm going to do is click single product. Now here what you can do is choose a supplier source. So they have all of these that you see right here. Now if you paste in a link, then it will recognize the supplier automatically, so you don't have to enter that. So first I'll just add an Amazon product. So staying in the dog category, I will just get one of these dog food dispensers. So I want to get one that is not branded. For example, this one right here. So once you have found a product, just copy the product link, go to AutoDS and paste in that URL right here, and then you will see supplier source get set to Amazon automatically and the region the US. So now you can immediately publish it to your store, or you can quickly edit it, which is what I recommend, so that you can actually again optimize the title and description with AI. So click AI Write, and this is really easy, and I love this feature from AutoDS because this just saves me a bunch of time. So then click save. Now here in the product section, what you can do is under monitoring, you can set up stock and price monitoring. Now I recommend turning this on for every single product that you upload onto your store, because this is one of my favorite AutoDS features. Now on the question mark, you can see exactly what it does if you're interested. So just go and click on save and import, and then this one will also be imported onto your store. Then of course you can also go and edit the price, but they will have an automatic price optimization right here, which is what I personally like to use. So you will see the buy price right here, which is about $60, and then the sell price is about 69 euros. So that leaves you with this profit margin, and then the same for the other product here that we had from the marketplace. It also creates a markup automatically. So I like to just keep this pricing. Now finally, if you want to add an AliExpress product, and of course you can also do this with any other supplier, but if I would like to do AliExpress, then first in the top right, select the area that you want to sell in. So here I'm going to pick the United States and click save. So now I will just find a product that I would like to sell from AliExpress. For example, if I would like to use this product right here, which is something for in a fish tank, then I can just copy the link to this product, go back into AutoDS, click add products again, single product, and paste in this URL. And again, I recommend clicking edit now. And then here for the country location, it is set to China because this will ship from China. And you can even pick the shipping method that you would like to use. For example, cheapest with tracking, or the fastest with tracking. Now again, I will turn on stock and price monitoring. Then here you again can edit the product description. You can also create a template if you want. Then you have your variants, and this all gets imported onto your Shopify store correctly, automatically, which is really important. And now what you can do is again click save and import. So now I will get into how it actually looks on your Shopify store and how the order fulfillment works. So of course, adding them to your store and getting sales is one thing, but you need to actually fulfill those orders. So I'm going to open up my Shopify store here, and now you will see we have already completed add your first product. So if you head into the product section here, you will then see all 3 products that I have added so far. Now if you hover over one of these with your mouse and click on the preview icon right here, you will then see what it looked like. So again, the price has been marked up to 69 euros and 9 cents, and the title has been imported, so have the images right here along with the description. Now what I recommend you to do first before actually building out your store is to go and click on online store right here, and first just go and pick a theme that you like. So click on add theme, and then click visit theme store. So you can just get a free theme, and the basic theme is not my favorite, so you can just click collections right here and then click free themes, Then here you have a bunch of themes that you can use completely for free. Now one that I personally like is this one, Trade. So I'll open up the Trade theme here and then click Try Theme. And now it will be adding Trade to your online store themes. So then it will open up this page, and now under theme library, we will now have the Trade theme right here. So let's wait for it to finish uploading and now click on Publish. So then confirm by clicking on Publish again. So now when we click View Your Store, we will now see our store right here. So of course we want to go and customize all of this, but if we head into the catalog right now, under products, you will see all the products that we have added so far. So for example, if we click on this product, you will then see what it looks like. You will have the images and all of the variants will be imported automatically. Now I do recommend customizing your store to make everything look better, but you can see you have the variants here along with the prices, and people can just choose what they want and then they can go and purchase it. Now you also need to go into your Shopify store, then go to settings. Then here for the payments, I recommend to use Shopify payments. So click on complete account setup right here, because that offers a wide range of payment methods for your customers. Now you can also add different payment methods right here. So just go and customize your store, add in all the products that you want, and then what will happen once you start marketing your store, you will get some orders. And then here in the orders section on AutoDS, you will see all of the orders that you have. So you have auto order credits, which basically means that orders will be getting fulfilled automatically by AutoDS. So you can click buy credits if you need more, but you already get 5 when creating your account. So 5 credits will have 5 orders fulfilled for you automatically. So that means that you will already be making money, and then you can buy more if you want for as low as 20 cents per credit. Now you can of course also try out the print on demand, so you can simply edit the product and then also import it onto your store, but I have not used this yet, so I don't know if it is good. But in terms of the marketplace and the importing products and the automation features that are included in AutoDS, I really like those, and I definitely recommend you to use AutoDS. It's my favorite dropshipping tool, and again, you can get an extended 30-day free trial instead of 14 days using the link in the description. Now here in the dashboard, which is the final thing that I will go over, you can see how many orders you've gotten, your profit, your total revenue, the new products that you have added, etc. So go and create your Shopify and AutoDS accounts using the link in the description, and then just follow every single step that I showed you in this video. And I recommend adding lots of products to your store and just having, for example, a pet store or some kind of a sports and outdoor store. Just have one specific niche that you are selling products in. That way you can market your store really well to a specific audience. So now you know how to use AutoDS for Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.